On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix the invite problem on WhatsApp. Hello guys, so to fix it, we have 3 ways as I said. The first way is you have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi or the mobile network, the one that you are connected to. Click on it. Now turn it off if you have Wi-Fi, for example, and then wait a few seconds and turn it on again. That's the first way and the easiest way, because sometimes it's just because of the Wi-Fi. Now go back to the settings. This is the second way. Go to the apps manager, go to apps, wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find WhatsApp like this. When you find it, click on it and then click on this option here in the top, as you can see, and after that it must be working. If it's not, then we still have the latest solution. Just open Play Store and make sure to update your WhatsApp Messenger easily by clicking right here on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.